Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys moving a broody hen. She's been broody for several weeks now. We don't have a rooster, so she's not going to hatch any eggs. And if, like I said in another video, if we don't get her broke of this, then she's just going to continue to sit there. They don't eat hardly, they don't drink a whole lot. They just sit there and try to hatch these eggs out. And she's not going to do it because there's no rooster. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to try to break this habit from her. So let's get in here and take a look. All right, let's go take care of her. Well, I'm actually going to take her over here to a pen I got set up. Not for chickens, but it's going to work perfect for trying to break her of her broodiness. So this would be really cool if I had some fertile eggs to put up underneath her and then she can hatch them out. I wouldn't have to get my incubator out, but right now I'm not really worried or trying to get chicks. So I'm just going to break her of this broodiness so she'll start laying eggs again. Like probably most of you guys know, if you have a broody hen, they're not going to be laying eggs, so that's not good, especially if you're not trying to have baby chicks. All right, so what I got going on right here is I got my old rabbit hutch. You can see I got the old rabbit hutch, and I'm going to place her in here. And this is the moment Dutch realized he had just about got stung, so he took off running. All right, I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but I took off running like a chicken because there was a bunch of freaking wasps in there. Them red wasps out here in Oklahoma are crazy. They will chase you down. They'll come at you in numbers, and sometimes you can't get away from them. I'm telling you, I just sprayed about 17 of them, it seems like. But I think I got them cleared out of there, and let's put her in there and get her all fixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in here with no bedding. That way she can't feel like she's making a nest and all that. We'll give her, see how she's all puffed up? Look at her. I've had some broody hens that would attack you whenever they're broody if you mess with them. But I'm gonna go ahead and close her up, come back, I'll get her some feed and water, we'll come back. All right, everybody, I'll keep you all updated on the broody hen. Probably give her a couple days in here and see how she's doing. I know a lot of you, I've had broody hens in the past. I've always put them in a cage, usually on the front porch, and just watch over them for the 2-3 days, and it usually breaks them of it. I know a few of you guys said give her 2 days and put your hand in there. She puffs up, she means she's still being broody, but if she gets calm, she's probably ready to go back with the other hens. So we'll see, we'll test it out. I'll check on her every day, make sure she got plenty of food and water here in the rabbit cage. Actually, it's the broody hen cage now. But yeah, I hope you guys got a good laugh about me running from them wasps like a chicken, because I hate wasps. I haven't been stung very many times in my life, but the times I have been stung, I don't want to get stung again. So I run every time I see about a handful of them. It's crazy. But all right, you guys, hope you guys like this video of me taking care of the broody hen. She's not liking over there. She doesn't know what to think right now. She's just wanting to lay on her eggs, I'm sure. But I'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.